Business is all about life में success is all about your thoughts. Success is all about your thoughts. कैसा आप सोचते हैं, कितना बड़ा आप सोचते हैं, कितना that defines what you will become. So in business, if you are fearful, I am sorry, very difficult to do business. You will fail, but you should enjoy failure. The people who you are seeing today as big businesses, they have gone through difficult times. लोग आपने सुना नहीं गराज में बिजनेस शुरू किया, तो गराज में बिजनेस शुरू करने का क्या मतलब हुआ? So he was working in garage, staying in garage, living in garage, right? So they went through difficult times. We all see good things, we forget the background of it. So if you want to do business, you have to be ready to commit yourself to hardships. Life is tough. You have to take it as a challenge. And if you can take up challenges, if you can take up risk, you can make it big in life. My advice to all of you here is think of some idea. Start some business. In life, somebody who is doing any business is definitely going to do better than the people in employment. In tomorrow